How to fix Shopify checkout errors that stop customers from buying. Follow the instructions. Use analytics to find where users drop off or receive errors in the checkout process. Ensure payment gateways are active, correct currency used, and test using Shopify bogus gateway. Check shipping zones, product weights, and make sure valid rates are assigned to all regions. Ensure active discount rules match cart items and don't conflict with automatic promotions. Review custom code or apps that may block checkout buttons. Test across browsers and devices. Check Shopify's status page for service issues and roll back recent changes if problems persist. Test checkout regularly. Update themes apps, and monitor abandonment to prevent lost sales. Thanks for watching.